Hey, this is Big Mike, and today we are the day before the big car show in Amboy, California. There's going to be several hundred cars here tomorrow, and we're just getting a preview. A lot of the cars are already here. We're just kind of cruising right up. You can see it. March 7th is the date of this show. Today is March 6th. And I'm going to go around and just kind of give you a little preview of what you can expect. These are just a few of the cars. There'll be a lot more coming out tomorrow, but just thought you'd get a kick out of getting a little early preview here. Look at these cool cars. You gotta love them. I came all the way from Chino Valley and wanted to come out here and see this show. This is, I believe this is the first official Centennial car show. So that's pretty cool. And it's at Roy's Cafe Motel. It's pretty wild looking around here. I mean, there's probably a couple hundred RVs here. They're just a regular setup for the weekend. They're going to have a good time here.
David,
live music, all sorts of fun.
Get hired the boys. Get off my 1968 Camaro SS. Good time.
What year is it?
1968.
68. Nice. Well, let me go ahead and just do a little walk around. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to actually, if I get back to the hotel, I'm in Needles, but I think I'm gonna try to just throw this together real quick, do one tonight because it'll be early, so nobody will have them out yet. Great idea. It's like a mini car show now. That's the Roy's right behind you on there if you go low.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. See if I can get over a little bit. And then try one going low up, you'll get the hero shot on your truck.
Michael?
Yeah?
Come over here because I'm going to go stand in the picture. Sorry, I know you're cleaning my truck for you right now. Hold on.
One, actually, let me do a 3, 2, and 1.
So is that a camera on that stick there, that little one?
Yeah, they're both.
Oh, it's a...
Well, there's a phone, and this one's actually the Pocket 3. Okay, so.
Hi, my name is Sandra Hill. I'm from Placerville, California, and this is my car. It's a 1940 business coupe. It's painted Azusa peach, and I got it out of a field in 1985, and it ran with a little flat 6, and I restored it, and it's the love of my life, and I'm here in Amboy to just see the 100-year anniversary of Route 66.
All right, here, give me a yeehaw now.
Hey, yeehaw, whoop, whoop.
All right, then let's do a little walk around here.
Thank you.
This is a Dodge. All right, just say your name, where you're from, and what the truck is.
David from Bullhead, Arizona, a 1970 C10.
Nice. I'm gonna take a look around for it. What's it got for a motor?
Small block 350.
Nice. Just walking around here, so. What year is this?
1956.
1956. Sweet. Hang on. Yeah. Go for it.
Hi, I'm Hotrod Holly, Holly Ansman, Hotrod Holly on Facebook and Instagram. This is my 1956 Chevy pickup. I call it Little Bubba. I've had it going on 28 years now. Taken him to Chicago and back, and many other road trips.
Nice. Okay, give me a yeehaw at the end here.
Yeehaw!
All right, perfect. All right, go ahead.
We're here at Roy's Cafe, 100th anniversary of 66. We're here for the weekend. It's a car show. This is my 67 C10 pickup truck, and we're here for the car show.
Nice. What's your name? Where are you from?
Roy Mithel from Montana, California.
All right, give me a big yeehaw.
Satisfactory.
All right, awesome. And hang on, I'm just gonna walk around here a little bit. Hey, can I, is the owner here? What, is this yours? His?
Alright, man.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Hey, any chance I get you to do a little, just tell me about your bus and do a little YouTube and Facebook for me? Can I get you to come out here? Sorry. I know you're all comfy in there.
Yeah, can't really hear him on the video from in there.
Okay, go ahead and go.
All right. I'm Susio Chongo. I'm out of Prescott, Arizona. This is a 48 Chevy school bus. It's a Wayne body with a Chevy chassis. It's got a 04 Chevy Tahoe motor in it, so it's LS powered. I've taken it up and down the California coast. We go up to Salt Lake every year for car shows. It's completely reliable. We did all the work ourselves. It originally came from Oklahoma as a school bus, went to Alaska as a school bus, left Alaska, came back to Oklahoma as a hippie bus. So when I got it, it still had all the shag carpet inside. It had a refrigerator. The door was off of a refrigerator. Yeah, it was pretty much a wreck. So we re-chassied it and put a LS motor in it.
Awesome. Well, let me just walk around a little bit here, just get a good view of it. Let me get to the front here if I can.
Yeah, I'm here at Amboy, Route 66 Car Show. My name is Brian Shaw. This is a 32 Chevy Coupe. I drove it out here from Glendale, Arizona today. It's quite a car, actually. I've done quite a bit to it. I recently just recontoured the roof. Stock Chevys have pretty flat roof. But it's got a lot of neat mods that I've done to it. Suicide at the doors here.
Oh, nice. Oh, very cool. Nice.
And, you know,
My name's Matt Cavary. I'm from Cleveland, Arizona right now. Originally Washington State, 20-some years in Alaska. Been drag racing my entire life since I got back from the Army in '71. And I got this truck recently, and it's a 1990 Chev with a non-crate motor, 572 in it, much bigger cam, higher compression. It's around 800 horsepower. When it got done, they used an extended cab. Oh, I forgot the hubcap though. And it's all leather interior, air conditioning. And under the tonneau cover is all carpeted stuff.
Nice.
Got a manual valve body, turbo 400, and a 12-volt posi and 456 ring gears.
And then what do we got here now?
This is my dragster I just finished. I run it about 3 passes. That's a fresh Home 383 with the World Products heads on it. And it's got a trans brake power glide, 410 rear end gears, 9-inch Ford.
Nice. And then what you got on the bike over there? What's the bike?
This is what I've been doing most of my life. Now, I bought my first track car at 71 when I ride Harley, so I was over at Sturgis in the 70s. And I saw this old gray-haired fart kneeling down next to his motorcycle. I just seen it run a 7.5 second corner. I asked the guy, what does it take to do something like this? And he didn't even get up. He just looked up at me and said, oh, I must have 13,000 in this. I jumped on my Harley and raced back to Everett, Washington and built my first fuel bike. I had several since then. This one here, 600 horse, runs about 90% nitromethane, and runs 7.5 seconds in the quarter, and it's been a 498 and 8. But I've been running these 45 years. That's all I do is mainly drag bikes. My kids said, hey, Grandpa. In fact, I'm a great grandpa. The kid said, why don't you get on 4 wheels? So I built this.
Nice.
And to top the entire thing off, I'm 73 years old right now. I've been racing all my life. 3 weeks ago, I committed to a completely top fuel dragster. We're building the engine for right now.
Nice.
A 250-inch wheelbase, and the car has been 520 in the quarter. So I'll build that and see what happens next.
Wow.
I'm going to tell you how.